Have you ever dreamed of creating a successful YouTube channel that shares valuable financial tips and insights? But you're hesitant because you don't want to show your face on camera. Well, fear not. In today's digital age, there's a fantastic opportunity to launch a faceless YouTube channel that can not only educate and inspire your audience, but also potentially generate a lucrative income stream. Imagine being able to share your knowledge and expertise in the finance niche without ever revealing your identity. Sounds intriguing, right? Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of creating a faceless finance tips channel using cutting-edge AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, all within just 10 minutes. The lucrative finance niche on YouTube. If you've ever binge-watched finance gurus like Dave Ramsey, Graham Stephan, or Meet Kevin on YouTube, you know firsthand the massive earning potential in this niche. These influencers aren't just making a few bucks. They're potentially raking in thousands of dollars from their YouTube views alone. But here's the best part, even smaller channels can earn a pretty penny with fewer views. The finance category on YouTube is a gold mine, known as one of the platform's highest-paying sectors. So, if you're pondering over faceless YouTube channel ideas in 2024 or wondering how to start a faceless YouTube channel, the finance niche might just be your golden ticket. Room for new creators in the finance niche. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't the finance niche on YouTube already oversaturated with established creators? The truth is, there's an untapped opportunity waiting for you. Financial literacy in the United States is still scratching the surface. While a significant portion of Americans are exploring stocks, mutual funds, and other investment avenues, a vast majority still stick to traditional savings methods. This gap represents a golden opportunity for aspiring YouTubers like you. Moreover, the surge of new investors spells out a plethora of opportunities for fresh content creators. And here's a twist. While many finance channels on YouTube focus on English or Spanish content, the United States is a melting pot of cultures and languages. By catering to audiences in their native languages, be it Mandarin, Tagalog, Arabic, or any other, you're not just filling a gap, you're revolutionizing how finance is understood across communities. Choosing your niche within finance. Now that you're convinced of the potential in the finance niche, it's time to choose your specific area of focus. The finance field is vast, like an endless sea, so for newcomers, the smart move is to focus on micro-niches within finance. Wondering how to identify these niches and their subcategories? Let's turn to ChatGPT, the powerful AI language model, for assistance. By asking ChatGPT to provide an overview of the finance category and its subcategories, you'll gain valuable insights into the various areas you can explore. For example, ChatGPT might suggest main categories like personal finance, investing, budgeting, and retirement, along with their respective subcategories. From here, you can choose a category that aligns with your interests and expertise. Finding engaging video ideas. Once you've settled on a specific niche, the next step is to find engaging video ideas that will captivate your audience. There are two types of video topics to consider: trending topics and searchable or evergreen topics. Trending topics, such as the union budget of a company, the launch of an IPO, a new investment scheme by the government, or an analysis of a stock, can generate a significant number of views for a short period, typically 8 to 15 days. However, after the initial surge, the views may slowly decrease. On the other hand, searchable or evergreen topics that always interest people can provide a steady stream of views over an extended period. To find such topics, you can explore the most popular videos from established finance channels and identify the ones that consistently receive high viewership. Crafting engaging scripts with AI assistance. If you're well-versed in your chosen finance niche, crafting scripts on your own can be a rewarding approach. However, in the age of AI, there's no need to shoulder all the work alone. For starters, you can turn to ChatGPT for inspiration. Let's say you've decided to focus on personal finance for your debut video. Simply ask ChatGPT to generate 5 fresh video ideas within this niche. Utilizing AI in this way not only saves time, but also injects a creative spark into your content planning process. Once you've chosen a compelling idea, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an engaging script on the topic. After receiving the initial draft, You can modify it by adding relevant keywords or even translating it into a regional language using tools like Google Translate. Alternatively, you can utilize Google Chrome extensions specifically designed for YouTube content creators. These tools can enrich your scripts with insights from existing successful videos. When browsing through a personal finance playlist, you can utilize the feature that shows a video transcript and summary. Click on the AI-generated summary for a concise version or opt for the full script if you need more detail. Remember, directly copying the script can lead to copyright issues, so use these resources as a foundation to build upon and customize your content. Establishing your brand with voiceovers. For those creating a faceless YouTube channel, your voiceover becomes your identity. Using your voice not only personalizes your content, but also establishes your brand, making your channel more attractive to potential sponsors. If you prefer not to use your voice, AI voiceover technology like that from Elevenlabs offers a seamless solution. With a wide range of natural-sounding voices to choose from, you can find the perfect tone and style to represent your channel's personality. The power of consistency and passion. While launching a faceless finance tips channel may seem daunting, the key to success lies in consistency and passion. Consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience is crucial for building a loyal following and establishing your channel as a go-to resource in the finance niche. Moreover, your passion for finance and your desire to educate and empower others will shine through your content, fostering a deeper connection with your viewers. When you genuinely care about the topics you cover and the value you provide, your audience will resonate with your authenticity, even without seeing your face. Creating compelling videos with Canva. With your script and voiceover ready, it's time to bring your video content to life. Creating a compelling video for your YouTube channel is straightforward with tools like Canva. Start by selecting the appropriate canvas size for your video on Canva, suitable for a standard video format. Then, dive into Canva's vast library of stock videos to build your video content. Say, for instance, you're creating a video about budgeting tips. You can easily find relevant stock footage of people managing their finances or scenes that visually represent the concept of budgeting. Canva's user-friendly interface and intuitive tools make it easy to combine your chosen stock footage with eye-catching titles, graphics, and animations. You can even incorporate your voiceover seamlessly into the video, ensuring a polished and professional final product. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of creating a faceless finance tips channel using the power of AI and visual design tools? The opportunities are endless, and the potential for success is within your grasp. Take the first step by exploring ChatGPT and identifying your niche within the finance realm. Leverage its capabilities to generate fresh video ideas and engaging scripts. Then, bring your content to life with Canva's user-friendly video creation tools. Remember, the finance niche on YouTube is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. And by catering to audiences in their native languages, you're not just filling a gap, you're revolutionizing how finance is understood across communities. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create a faceless finance tips channel using ChatGPT and Canva in just 10 minutes. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see the incredible faceless finance channels you'll create. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep empowering others with your financial knowledge and expertise.